Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create this cool mask transition in just a few minutes using simple masking. Let's get started. To follow along, I've shared the full project with the clip so you can practice. Check the link in the description below to download it for free. With the top clip selected on the timeline, scrub forward until the object comes close to the camera and completely covers the car. Split the clip at this frame and rename the upper layer Roto. Next, select the Roto brush tool and double-click the Roto layer to enter the layer panel and begin rotoscoping the object. I'll scrub forward slightly so I can select only the object, not the entire clip, and start masking it. To correct the selection and remove unwanted areas, hold Alt on your keyboard until you see the minus icon, then subtract the parts you don't want selected. Once everything looks good, press the spacebar to preview the selection and make sure it's cleanly rotoscoped. Once everything looks perfect, click Freeze to lock the selection and wait for it to finish. While the video is being analyzed, I want to mention 16:am film shake presets, created for speed ramp edits, cinematic edits, and more. Just drag and drop the presets, no plugins or extra installation required. Works seamlessly with Adobe After Effects on both Windows and Mac. When it's done, close the rotoscoping window. You'll now see a black background, which means we can place the second clip underneath the roto layer to create the transition. Let's preview the video. And that's it, the easiest transition is done. Let's fine-tune the roto selection, because if you look closely, the edge of the masked object isn't completely smooth. Select the roto layer. Oops, I named it Rayoto. Under the roto brush effect, increase feather to around 10. Set shift edge to -50, and adjust reduce chatter to 100%. The edges are now softer, making the transition smoother and visually better. Don't forget to check the project file with all the videos in the description below. Note that the project was created in After Effects 2025, so it may not open in older versions. However, all the clips are included, so you can still practice and follow along. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.